Dear friend, this is Tomal once again. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. Today's session is regarding the bullets in number formats. So let's see how it works. Suppose I'm writing few things like T, P, I, S, C, U, I, T, biscuit, cake, rice, and then wheat. And now what I want to do is I want to make it in a number format. So what I have to do, I have to select the whole thing, go to home tab, and from here you can see the whatever the format is there, whatever format you want you can do. So whatever, if you select a particular format, then it will come in that format. Okay, so see, I take this, choose this one, and the format is like this. So this is all about the number list format. This is all about the number list session. Thank you for being with us, and stay for more updates. And my number is 8420879158. Email is customer6@gmail.com. And thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking my video, and be there for more updates.